Hey guys, welcome back to Road Rage Reviews. My name is Simon, and we're going to be reviewing some compilation of Idiots on the Road. The only thing that's different today is that it's some of the dash cams I recorded when I was a truck driver. Now, let's dive right in together. All right. So the video is a little cut off here, but this car right here was coming from this lane. The only reason it's cut off is just timing when I saved it. But literally 5 lanes of traffic in one shot. I mean, he got away with it. That's impressive, but extremely dangerous, especially with a larger truck like that. You don't see if there's somebody in the last lane coming at 120 miles an hour. Come on, guys. Use your flasher 1 lane at a time. I know it sucks, but there's rules for a reason, right? Safety. Alright. This next video, so this one was also cut a little short, but this car was just lining up behind other cars to either go straight on or turn. There was just a 2 lane. I was trying to get in the left lane to turn. What really sucks is that there was a huge gap in front of this orange car that they could have easily went forward. So I don't really know why. Like a huge gap, like truck and trailer could have fit huge gap. So I was a little frustrated. I mean, as you could see, I could still go on. If I had a car, I could do it, but I have a long truck, so I still did it. Just watch. Yeah, and I got honked at by the car that was leaving a huge gap, so. And I was trying to hurry up because this green light doesn't stay green for very long. And of course we're letting cars by. This Honda is not crossing the white line, which and just when I'm gonna go, yellow light. I was so frustrated. Man. You saw the truck waiting to get out and you had a huge gap. Like, why? Why? Alright. This video. We have this Porsche, as you can see, it just doesn't want to move over. Finally does now that this Honda Civic's in us. But he's going the same speed anyways. But look, he goes back. Guys, if you're going the same speed, always merge to the right. Stay the right. Fast lane, the left lane, is for passing or faster cars. Like, why are you blocking the road? And you have a Porsche on top of it. Like, it was frustrating. And then lo and behold, he merges back because he wanted to get off on this exit, and then puts his flasher and cuts right in front of me. Never looked in his mirrors. I was so frustrated. So frustrated. Like, come on. Come on. This one is, again, safety. We got a bus with lights. This fella over here doesn't care. Man, my wife's a bus driver, and like, she says that happens way too often. Well, way too often should not be more than once. Like, it happens to her weekly. It's your kids on the bus, or somebody else's kids in your family. Like, man, respect the red lights on a bus. This one over here. Whoa! God, man. I got so scared. I was sure I was doing head on with this. And I have a big T800 Kenworth flat nose on there. Man, you hit that, my bumper's not bending. Your car is done. Somebody just almost lost their lives because they were probably texting and driving. I know we always revert to texting and driving, but like, what else would it be? Reaching out for something in the backseat? Like, pay attention to the road. This is a pretty high volume, high speed highway, just a 2-lane highway. Come on, man. Use your noggins.
Oh my god.
Here I have a truck cutting a truck. Never slowed down, never stopped.
Okay.
I mean, I was still a little far, but like I still had to brake. That wasn't cool. Oh, this one. Well, not every city has this, but in our city, from one end to the other on this highway, we have this sign up here that says no trucks in this lane. And I see trucks all the time. Now it has a length limit, you know, if you're over this length or whatever, you can't really see it here. But he's well above that. So, man, there's a reason no trucks in this lane. You know, there's a lot of ups and downs on the highway, and we don't want to cause traffic by having trucks there. And it's also just harder to merge when you're trying to get on and off the highway. Just respect the signs, man. Just, God. Trucks like that causes traffic. Like, not in this case, but it was just a clip that I had to demonstrate that. All right. Over here we have a Chrysler 300 trying to turn left. And whoa. And so the light's still green. It's his right of way, and he was about to go. And it's also his right of way. I mean, he's still a little far, but when you're in a car, it seems a lot closer than it is. But still, you're cutting off this car and this car. Like, see, he had to stop, and it was his right of way to turn. And he had to slow down. I think you could kind of see it. We'll watch it fully through. Yeah, see, he slams on his brake. He did slam his brake. Yeah. Come on, man. Pay attention. 2 more seconds, he would have been fine. Here we have another large truck trying to cut in front of me. I mean, again, we're on a highway. There's no cars behind me. Could have waited a little longer. You know, on the cameras, sometimes it looks like it's further or closer. Usually it looks further, but that was a lot closer than it looks. I mean, the dash cam is a lot further ahead than our face, too, and higher, so it makes it look like there's more space, but there isn't, you know? Over here, this is an idiot thing. I was just trying to turn on this road, and this gentleman, he knows that a large truck takes 2 lanes, so as you can see, he stopped and gave me room to turn. He didn't have to do that, but it's a really nice gesture. You know, us trucks are large, where it's a hard time to get through on small streets like this. It's always courtesy and really nice to have people that still have a heart that'll understand our struggles and help us out. Big props to those people. Here, intersection from a 2-lane highway going into one. This guy, man, look at that. Look how fast I passed him. Like, didn't even stop. He had a red light. I have the right way. Like, I have a transport truck and I had to pass him. Man. On top of it, like, he cut 2 lanes of traffic instead of going into the first lane like he should, to then accelerate and merge over. No. Like, come on, man. That lane isn't there for no reason. This is kind of funny. This is the same intersection as the video we just watched, but the opposite way. We were coming the other way. But in this case, so you could see how much time and power it takes for my truck to speed up. And I have quite a lot of room, and then he slams on the brake. Now I get it. It's yellow. He had enough time to stop. But he only started stopping halfway through. And you were already up to speed. Like, it doesn't look like he slammed on his brake, but he sure did. And trying to stop a 40-ton truck is really hard. Thank God there was a gap, but like, guys, if you're gonna slam on the brakes like that, make sure there isn't a large truck behind you. Just because we're bigger and we have bigger brakes doesn't mean we stop faster. And again, camera does not do justice on how close this was, right? Anyways, that's it for today. I think I have some more footage hiding somewhere. Maybe I'll find it. But don't worry, I'll have some more videos coming soon, and we can watch them together. Don't forget to click subscribe, notification bell, like, comment, you know, all the good stuff. Till next time, we'll talk to you later.